Hello guys, hello, welcome to my video. So I want to show you real quick, but after we're doing this, you cannot see. I have my Xbox controller and my Xbox and my monitor scene, and no TV around here. No TV. So okay, alright. Before we get started, I want to show you a really quick video. Okay, so you want to see something cool? Watch. I close it. I know it's gonna be dark. Sorry. Here's something cool. Watch. And I turn on. Oh, shoot, guys. So cool, huh? Yeah, so cool, huh? Okay, so I want to put on this. So, sorry about that. Okay, it's really bright right now, so let's get on to business. So, I have my Xbox and my monitor scene. So, okay. I want to show you how to put a monitor scene without a TV. Okay. So, I want to show you a tutorial how to play Xbox on a monitor scene instead of TV. So, I have monitor scenes. Those are computer monitor scenes. So, that was my brother's. So, no TV around here because we're not going to own a TV for electricity. So we had this in case. Okay, all you have to do is, since this is my brother's, so he never used it, so this is my motor scene. So I had this motor scene attracted to this. I don't know, you can see. So this is the motor scene of it. This is like the Xbox. How the so you could get one of those like this. It's going to be look like this. I don't know. See, so alright, let me tie this. I cannot hold it while doing the camera. Sorry guys. Okay. Okay, so it's on already. So I plug it right. And then the blackout scene. Okay, so all you need, forget about my connect and my card. So okay, all you need to do is have this. This is a, I don't know what it's called. You could get it. You could found it somewhere else. This is a HD compatible cord that you could put it on a monitor scene to HD, like PlayStation, Xbox, any system that has HD could put on a monitor. Which like the monitor don't have HD. It has only two plugs only. So you had this one right there. This is a you connected on the monitor scene only. So it has plugs, have like speaker in it, but you can't put a speaker. I don't think you can put a speaker on it. So it's only two plugins on a monitor. There's one and two. And yeah. I don't think some monitors are the same to this. So probably different. So this is Dell and NEC. And this one is a gateway, which was I always play that on my Xbox. Yeah, on the system. So okay, all you need is this one. You could try to find it if you want to, but I have no idea. And then, yeah, this one wrap around to this. Alright, so here's what you need to do. Okay, you power on the Xbox, and then this is the cable. This is a USB cable for my controller to plug in battery. So I don't have a charger in it. So yeah, don't have a charger in it. So okay, so this is my connect for this that I use for my gameplay. So yeah. Alright, so you power on my Xbox, and then you power on this to connect the scene of this. So all you need to do is plug it in. So this is how it's going to be plugged. So this is upside plug. I cannot hold both hands with it, so you need both hands for it. So you plug on this. I cannot hold my camera for this, so you plug on this. It's going to be hard to do this. Okay, I plug in. So you plug on this, and then all you need to do is tie it up. So I could do this with one hand for tying this up. If I can. Okay, you tie this up. And the other side. So you need to tie that one. So you need to tie that one to plug in so it won't get it white if the scene goes like blackout, it goes on, blackout goes on, blackout goes on. Sometimes do that. So all you need to plug in really tight of it. It won't be a scene off for that repeatedly. So yeah, that makes it this bugs me, you guys. So you need a tighten. So you need to tie this. Yeah. My family do have TV, but we don't need to because we don't have like room fits. So we have mortar in case. Okay, you don't need to tie that tie. We'll see. Okay, so it plugs out. So okay, whatever. So you plug it in. Sorry guys. Oh well, it doesn't need to. So anyway, you could tie it really tight if you want to, and then you plug it on. You plug it on this one. You plug it on this one. I don't know, you could see it. You plug on this. So, there. And then, we'll see what goes on. And there you go. Now you have more singles on. So, and that's my tutorial of how you do that. So it will goes on really good. So yeah, make sure you don't need to. Oh, you see that happen? Yeah, you see that? I move it a little bit, and yeah, I had that loosen. Yeah, see that happen? So okay, and that's how you do it, guys. And if you wanted a speaker, so you could bring a controller. I got like a controller that you could put on a plug on it, so it connected to this. It has a USB in it. So this controller doesn't. So you need the you need to get the accessory for it. It's like a accessory thing that you has a uh sorry guys. In these you could find it like GameStop accessory controller speaker on it. So you need that. So you could put on headphones and headset, and that's all. And you need that for the gadget. So you could put on your speaker headphones, the volume up for it. So you need to put it on the speaker. That's all. Alright guys, so and that's it you guys. Alright guys, that's it for tutorial of how you put Xbox 360 games on the monitor. So otherwise facts guys, so facts that PlayStation like this one can't put that on the PlayStation, so it does work. So no matter what, it doesn't work. You need like some another thing to another thing. Sorry guys, you need another HDMI for putting on the monitor if you guys want to. So I used to have PlayStation 4, but yeah. Okay, so thanks for the tutorial guys. So if you like to see more videos, like subscribe and check out my gameplays. I might play gameplays for it. So either though my room's no crappy or not, you guys. So and that's it for my tutorial. So see you guys and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial of how to put a monitor scene on the Xbox. So thank you guys for watching.